Okay, so finally I get a chance to have a look at this Jaguar motor again. So yeah, I just like to compare a couple of the timing chains. There's first one was being broken in an accident, but they are identical. And to this one here, which is a new one. So now, update from my last video, I moved the timing here so it fits. So it's sitting at top dead center. It's sitting at the top of the thing there. Yeah, there's actually a mark. You see, there's another cog. There's this little mark here indicating the tooth, which is where the white line is. Come down. Here's the balance shaft. No balance. Yeah, little balance, and there's a set of marks on the cog here. Anyway, I have one here. And on the marking for the, I'm not sure if you can see this. Let's see if we can get that. Oh yeah, there we go. Here is the marking for the chain. On the fuel pump camshaft. And the chain is tight. And problem is, I put my tool in. It will not fit. Now, I looked at some other videos, and they say that this was it this keyway, this cuts here, should line up with these bolt holes, which is exactly what the tool. This is exactly the same as what the tool is showing, but it just will not fit. The crankshaft is set at top dead center. I have a tool in here, locking it in. There's no movement in here. There's also actually a marker underneath on the crankshaft, which indicates where top dead center is. I'm sort of lost as to what is happening here. This chain is tight. This chain is tight. This is tight on this side. I also measured this cog. I compared the two. I compared the measurement, the size of this cog. It's exactly the same. But this is not in the right place. So if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them. Thanks. By the way, the tool that I bought, but anyway, this motor is in there. It's better. The motor code of this engine is the 306 PS, and it's this HJ 126. If you can see it, yeah, 126. And it's also made for the V8 model, which is the AJ 133. So my phone's not really focusing very well. Where's the engine code here? Here's a quick look if I move it if I move it a cog, one tooth back. This balance shaft thing is still lined up, and this is closer, but still not able to fit. Yeah, so still no closer to fixing this problem.